Why? 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 Hey guys, me Googleman PSN and Dude Let's Plays, and welcome to part 11 of Ratchet and Clank. I'm not gonna say what out of because because I have two Ratchets parts. And today we're doing this level, which I absolutely positively hate. The second half. The second part of this level. The first part's not that bad, it's just my own fault. So because Ratchet cannot breathe, he needed to get the O2 mask, and because we don't have an O2 mask, we're stuck using his clank for now. And because Gadget Bots can't climb over, we have to go up, down, and leave them up there. See, this part kind of my own fault. Well, everything else is my own fault. You see, I'm supposed to command them to click enter, but I didn't know you can do that. And the part I did now was by complete accident. And I still didn't know, so I just used it the manual way. Oh yeah, by the way, I say do not, I repeat, do not command your Gadget Bots using the analog stick. It's terrible to use the analog stick for this part. Mainly because if you try to tap, then it'll stop. You have to hold on it and get the triangle button out. So if I was you, I'd probably use the D-pad. So much better on the D-pad. Alright. Also, the clank is weak against those big spider enemies because he can't even punch it. So for some reason he needs small gadget pods to do it. Also the look of this level is my least favorite. It's just barren and lifeless. I know it's supposed to be like that because it's a toxic planet, but I don't care. It looks terrible in my opinion. It's not that bad. I mean, the HD is a bit more brighter. I don't know why they put that spider enemy there. He tries to stop me, but he's really, really slow. It's just me trying to kill him, but guess what? Seems like the analog stick is not working for me. See? And that's it. So that's pretty much it. This planet I'm just not too fond of. I don't really like it. I'm not too fond of the second half, the first half. It's just because of Clank. I don't really like Clank's gameplay in this game. He's just slow, in my opinion. Too slow. In fact, he even runs at a snail's pace like Silver the Hedgehog in Sonic 06. So, yeah. And now I have to wait. And now I have to get these Gadget Bots so I can go more. And that's pretty much it. I have nothing left to say. I don't know. We're not at the part I want to talk about next. The next half. So let's be quiet. Come on, Clank. Go. 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 Alright. Now I got your friends are here. And because they wouldn't, and because of a high level, they won't respond. You have to manually get them. No, it's actually my fault. I should have clicked enter in there. Alright. See, that's the analog stick not working. When I just on tap, it'll just move to the follow. Alright, now this this gimmick now is the Gadgetron, because the Gadgetron robots can't help climb over. That means now you have to go back and do it, and then Gadget Bots have to do it and rinse and repeat. Okay, not really. Alright. There's the rare moment that my analog stick actually works. And no, not broken, it's just I tried tapping it like slightly, but it won't lock on. Okay, see, because you guys clank cannot come over there, you need your gadget on to stay there. You wait, and because Clank runs to the snail's place, you have to manually do it. Okay, now it's part. Gold! Yeah! It had to be done. It has to be done. Had to. Also, my bolt grinding in the second half, the next part you'll be seeing, has been down a little bit because I had to survive. Badly survive. And this part I just grind for bolts, finally. Bolt Clank is not the person I would say grind bolts for because you get barely any bolts. See, that's how much I got. They give you so much little with Clank, and they give you so much with Ratchet. Alright. And see, I wish Clank was able to use the helipack himself. No, he could. He can glide, but I wish he can dash like Ratchet could. It could be fun. And see, because I died there, don't worry. And because they will not respawn and come back to you, you have to manually get them back, and I'm not gonna show you that. So guess what? I had to jump cut it. So we'll be seeing a little bit of that on the next part, which I absolutely, positively despise. Alright. We're on that part. We'll be talking about it. Oh yeah, because our gadget bot. Because I parked the gadget bots in the wrong spot and they can't just calibrate anywhere. Guess what? You have to manually go there and calibrate them. Come here. Yeah, you know where I'm going. And now you look waving. Yeah, you know where I'm going. Alright. Now we have to do the same thing. Rinse and repeat. Let them come and hope if by doing it the wrong way they could come. I do like the gimmick of the Gadgetron bots. It's not like Pikmin, but just in this game wasn't executed that well. Alright, there's gonna be a cutscene. They're coming. Or this will be the end of the part. Really. Okay. So we got the magnet boots. Too bad we can't. We are not happy to say we got it because, you know, I already did the mission. So okay, guys. So this is coming to an end. So again, like, favorite, subscribe. Trophy sound. Okay, like, favorite, subscribe. Tell me your thoughts in the video, and I'll see you in the next video. So peace out.